Hi, my name is Lisa Hanna and I'm the Member of Parliament for South East St. Ann. I'm also the Shadow Minister for Youth and Culture for the People's National Party. Right now in South East St. Ann we have been plagued with a number of issues, not only bad roads and the lack of water, certainly in certain communities, the lack of running water, but certainly the access and availability of water from our farmers for crops. Since I've been the Member of Parliament, we've done a number of things for young people, not only in terms of helping over 2,000 children with back-to-school grants. We've helped over 2,000 farmers with fertilizer. We've been assisting persons with accessing water up in the areas of Bensington. We've helped over 10 schools in Monique with adequate amenities. We've recently rebuilt a canteen at the Watsonville Primary School. Some of these things are projects that we will be continuing because education, agriculture and infrastructure and youth development are my key priorities. We've also built 2 main community centres, one in Golden Grove and we're proceeding with another one in York Castle and renovated one in Rural Retreat. So the work has been going on. One of the things that we're going to be focusing on keenly in the next year is helping young people with accessing their exam passes, because the statistics show that more than half of our school population leave high school without passing one exam. So what we've done in the constituency is implemented free CXC classes using professors from Monique. We've started with math and that has been going very well. We want to also continue that with English and social studies, and certainly the applications for students who are doing that have gone up, and I'm very pleased to report that. Continuing other things, we have some new areas that are now a part of my constituency, primarily Parrytown, and one of the things that I will be working on is making sure that I somehow get accurate information to help those residents either relocate or get their titles. I've made representation already on behalf of them twice to the Minister of Water and Housing, but still we've gotten no information. And certainly around by the polling divisions and areas in Limehall, which have also come to me, roads and water are a serious problem around there. So it's a lot of work, and I know I am the best choice to once again represent the people of South East St. Ann. It is a very large constituency geographically, but with cooperation and hard work, we'll also get the job done once again. So vote for me, Lisa Hanna, put your X beside the head on election day. Thank you.